Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Bukhari. Today we are going to work on Solid Edge V20 software. I'm going to make the car part in which I usually built in Lahore in laboratory-like places. Click on the solid part. The solid part interface appears. The default settings in it are in inches, so I'm going to change it into millimeters. Click on File, then File Properties. In the Units tab, from inches to millimeters. Click on OK. It's all done. Now I'm going to make the spiral like profile. For this purpose I'm going to use the helical protrusion command and select the vertical plane as my working plane. Okay. Now I'm going to make a line which will act as the axial rotation. Okay, now I'm going to use the pan command to move a bit. I'm going to use the line command to make the profile. Click on a vertical line. Okay. Now I'm going to use the offset command to make our profile equal to this but at some distance. Click on this. This is 5 mm. It's okay. Click on this, and then I select this. Okay. Now I'm going to close this profile. For this purpose I'm going to use the line command. Firstly I select descent. Okay, now I'm going to try to rotate it a bit. I'm going to use the line command and then close. Now I'm going to move it a bit. Then I click on return. I'm going to select a rotation and I'm going to select as you can see our profile is now ready. Now I'm going to select light to which it spirals. Select from here pitch and return. I'm going to select the pitch as 200 millimeters and turn and number of turns as 2. Then I'm going to click on next and then preview. Click on the finish command and then I click on the finish. You can see our spiral is now ready. Now I'm going to make a bar in it. For this purpose I'm going to use the simple protrusion command and select this plane as my reference plane. Okay. And I'm going to make a circle. Select the center and then okay. Then I click on return. To move it both way, click on protrusion on vertical stand. And then from here, okay. I click on finish and then now I'm going to make the approach of the car through which the car will go to the floor. For this purpose I'm going to use the simple protrusion command and select this plane as my reference plane, but I am going to make a parallel plane to this here and then select the okay. Then I am going to select this profile. I am going to make it at a distance of 200 meters. And now I am going to use a new command which is include command of the selected part. Okay, for this purpose I click on the include command. Here are the default settings, no need to change it. Click on OK and then select this line, this line, this line and click on the pan to move it. Okay. Now I'm going to use the line command from here. And then I am going to use a tilt command to change this. Okay. I click on return. As you can see our profile is now. Now I am going to move it to the right view. Click on it and as you can see here, zoom it. Okay. Then I'm going to go for the diametric view to look at the better view. Click on with diametric view and then select. Now I'm going to color it a bit to make it a little different. Click on format and part painter. First I click color and then select the feature. One orange. Okay. And then and now for the is click on color and click on now for the other side a bit. As you can see, our coloring is now ready, and I'm going to go for the diametric view and then again the click command. Now I'm going to make the roof on which the car will park. Okay. For this purpose, I'm going to select the simple fusion command. Rotate this away. Now I'm going to select select this plane as my reference plane and select here is the point. Now I am going to make the profile of the roof. I click on the line command and for this okay, horizontal line, vertical line, a horizontal line, a vertical line, and then again a okay. Then I am going to use the arc by 3 points to join these two points. Click on this point and then select this point and then select okay. Then I click on return. Right view. On finish and then cancel. Then I'm going to click the diametric view and then click on this command. As you can see, now our roof is now ready. Now we are going to make the boundary of this purpose. I select simple partition command and select this plane as my reference plane. Now I'm going to select include command. Here are the default setting, no need to change it. Click on OK. Select this. Okay, now I'm going to zoom it a bit and select. Okay. Now I'm going to use the offset command and select this profile and use the offset of and here it is. I'm going to trim these unnecessary lines here, here and here. To move it a bit, click on line. Click on the line command and here to select this and we join. Okay, click on the pan command. Now we are going to click on return Now we are going to make above it a bit back. Okay. Now from here I'm going to select like this. Firstly I trim, make a line, select line, this point to this point. Now I'm going to trim this unnecessary line. Okay, then I'm going to select this. As you can see, we can move it either way. Click on this and then I'm click on finish and then cancel. As you can see, our boundary is now ready. Now I'm going to color it. For coloring purpose I click on the format, that part painter. Then from here I select which color, orange. Click on feature and then click on the as green and then again green color and select the 4207 as green. Okay, as you can see our car parking is now ready. Like it. If you have any query you can ask me anytime. Okay, Allah Hafiz.